Welcome to Enalyzer. Here's a quick introduction to our platform. Once you open Enalyzer, you will see your main page where you have quick access to all of our main features. You have the options to choose between working in your private account or in an organization. You can see which one you're working in the top right corner of your page, as it here shows your role. If you're working in your private account, all data, surveys, and reports belong to you. With organizations, companies can ensure that all the content related to the company is centralized and kept in one place. However, even when created inside an organization, surveys and reports are not automatically shared with all the members, which is why we then have the workspaces features. In the main page, you also have quick access to create new automations or access the ones you've already created. With Enalyzer, you can create high-end professional surveys and customize them to match your brand. Start by heading over to the Surveys area and click New. You can browse through our templates to find inspiration or use the integrated AI tool to help you along the way and find what you're looking for. If you decide to work with the AI tool, make sure to answer the questions as accurately as possible to get the best results. Apart from these two options, you can always decide to start your survey creation from scratch. When opting for the templates, you can select the ones that align best with what you need, and then select Next to create it. Now, give your survey a name and add languages to your survey. You can browse through more than 50 languages available. Although the template already has content, you can always customize it and add more content in the form of questions, text, images, videos, and end pages. By default, all survey elements are on different pages. If you want to group survey elements, remove page breaks by opening the Actions menu and selecting Move. Now you can drag and drop survey elements as well as remove and add page breaks. When you're done, click the Done button. Once you're done adding all your survey content, we recommend you finish your survey with an end page. It is essential as responses will be automatically registered as completed once they reach the end page, even if they don't click on the End Survey button. After adding content to your survey, it's possible to add jumps and conditions. Jumps and conditions allow your respondents to answer different questions, depending on how they've been answering your survey. Jumps will make respondents jump to another element based on their answer to a question, and conditions will allow respondents to go down different paths in the surveys based on previous responses in the survey or their background variables. With Enalyzer, you'll also get full control over your survey design, allowing you to customize it to perfectly match your brand. You can head over to Design on the side menu of your survey, where you can choose between a vast array of fonts, colors, logos, and backgrounds, amongst other design options. If you would like to see this process in more detail, you can watch our tutorial videos on design options by accessing the video library we have added in the video description. Once you have finished building your survey, you can test it by going to the Content page and clicking on Test Survey. If you have tested it and everything works, you're ready to share your survey. You can head over to the Share menu and choose how you would like to share your survey with your respondents. When you open this page, you will immediately see the survey link. The other options to share a survey include sharing the survey with your organization, sending email invitations, integrating it on a website, creating custom links for respondents, or simply through a QR code that directs respondents directly to your survey. Additionally, you can choose to integrate the integration with Zapier if you wish to automate the sharing of your survey, or use the collectors feature to allow for your organization members to invite respondents to answer the survey. Lastly, on this page, you can also share your survey as a template if you want other team members to use the same structure. Next up is working with your responses. By navigating to responses, once you've started collecting responses, you can download your survey response data and see individual responses. You can download your survey data as an Excel, CSV, or SPSS file. If you just want a quick and simple overview of your results, you can also view them on the results page. To get a more detailed view of your data and deeper insights into your responses, you have the custom reports. Our reports have multiple chart types and they show real-time data. If you decide to create your reports before you add any respondents, the system will show you the report with simulated data, so that you can still have a good visualization of what the results will look like once responses start coming in. You can dive deeper into your data using filters to get a better understanding of your results. You can also decide to work with versions, which show a permanent filter on the given report. You can share your report safely with others by adding report readers. You can do it by adding them directly or by sending them a link. All report readers need an Enalyzer account, giving you a complete overview of who has access to your data. And if you ever experience any doubts when using the system, you can also refer to our AI assistant. You can always find it on the top right corner of the screen by pressing the interrogation button. The assistant will provide you with relevant Help Center articles and video tutorials based on your questions.